Financial literacy isn't about picking stocks or secretly outsmarting the system. It's the indispensable toolkit necessary for building security and independence. In the intricate and often confusing U.S. financial landscape, mastering a handful of core principles can serve as your blueprint for a stable and prosperous life. Your journey, both short-term and long-term, commences with adopting a positive mindset and having a solid budget in place. Starting with mindset, acknowledge that having cash flow as a manageable tool can significantly transform your perspective on money. Discover a shift from viewing it as a mystifying and stress-inducing factor to appreciating its functionality as a resource that aids in securing your future. Apply the simple 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your post-tax income to essential needs, 30% to desired purchases, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Regularly track every single dollar earned or spent throughout a month to identify any potential leaks in your budget, thereby creating an informed spending plan. Moving forward, consider tackling your debt strategically. High-interest credit card debt can be a destructive force that inevitably wreaks havoc on your wealth. Utilize either the debt snowball method, which encourages prioritizing smallest balances for psychological wins, or the debt avalanche approach, targeted towards the highest interest debts to save the most money. Simultaneously, build a robust financial safety net, an emergency fund that's safeguarded for you and your family, keeping unexpected life disruptions from derailing your progress. Investment serves as the engine propelling long-term wealth generation, fueled by compound interest. Begin now. Employers' 401k or 403b. Retirement accounts offer free money, particularly if there's a company matching contribution. Great. At least contribute enough towards getting the full match. For other investment opportunities, consider a Roth IRA, which is advantageous for tax-free growth. Adopt low-cost, broad investment funds or ETFs, such as an S&P 500 fund, and leave the decision-making up to time and the power of compounding. Dedicate time to manage your credit score responsibly, improving it by paying all credit bills on time and limiting credit card balances to under 30% of your limit. Avoid carrying a balance if possible, as doing so can minimize interest charges. Regularly monitor your credit reports and obtain free copies via the annual credit reports offered at annualcreditreport.com. Your credit score has a direct impact on your financial freedom. Actively work towards building and maintaining a high credit score by consistently managing credit card balances to levels under 30% of the credit limit, staying on top of outstanding bills, and avoiding carrying any balance that isn't necessary. Finally, always remember to protect your financial investments with insurance bundles. Health insurance is an absolute must. Disability insurance can,